something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Say, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss.
I have no idea how sensitive my mic is to touch. Like when I push it. But I just had to push it away out of my way. Pretty far. Good morning.
That's why I love her. Miss Independent, ooh, the way you shine. Miss Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do it for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got no doubt. There's something about her. 'Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she got to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. She made for
I also don't know if it's picking up my dogs. My puppies are very awake and I am not. I'm gonna just hear the good morning, good morning. Let me turn this down a little bit. I accidentally turned it up a little bit. Okay, well not off. What is going on? Okay. I will preface too, a lot of the things on screen were things that I prepared for the April turnover to the new color scheme and everything like that. Like my new backdrop is done already. The loading screen is purple. The starting screen is purple. You can kind of gauge April is going to be the month of purple. I've redone my outfit to be purple, etc. I also, if you haven't seen on Discord, I did a lot of changes to Gummy and to Gloomy. If you don't know who Gloomy is, you're out of the loop. But basically, if I put my what Gummy looks like right now next to a picture of what old Gummy looked like, it would be very different. You'd be able to see the differences. But the Gummy that you will see in April is also different from this one. I think just by the hair. I think I made her hair more pink. Versus like this one I made it way more blonde. So, just new things coming. But yeah, I just wanted to, honestly I was just here to chat. I'm gonna be doing some editing, lots of fishing. But I'm here for a good 2 hours, at least. I'm on the, do I want to leak it? Okay, on the new overlay, it's like this. Look at it. Hi Alec, hello. Good morning, good morning. Thank you for the bit for the morning. How are you? How you been? Where is oh yeah, I also have like I got new alerts. That one's the pretty normal one. I don't know where my other one went. Where did my, there we go. So my chat has like a ringer on it, but what I really like about it is that it's fit for fish. So if you fish, mother trucker, bro. See, look at that. Look how nicely it is fitting in there. Okay, I won't leak more about what's to come in April though. morning, Ray. Good morning. Okay. I think I want to go back to the other one. This one isn't released yet. The purple will come this month. But right now we're still like, we have to wait. You have to wait 2 more days, I believe. I believe Purple Day is the 15th. Don't quote me on that. I'm going based off of my scheduled Twitter posts. But yes, good morning, good morning. I forgot to answer your text. I was like looking at it after you texted me. I don't know if you can hear me or if she just came in here to fish. I did make it so that even the VOD viewers will be able to hear the music for today. It's like, yeah. No, I'm here. Oh, I just messaged you back. Yeah. I'm okay. I guess just stressed as hell. My employer gave me like 15 hours of work this week, which is no bueno. No bueno at all. Also, it didn't trigger the thing for, like, you see this? Is it this? There we go. For Alex cheering bit. Why does it show this at the bottom? Oh, there we go. Alex gave a bit, so he can hit me with a gummy bear. I realized I didn't have it open. I also didn't have Mix It Up open. That would've been really bad if Ari came in here. Oh yeah. Hopefully, I did hear back from my new job about my second interview, which is really cool. I have that coming up this month in 10 days, which is really cool. You tell I'm tired. You tell I'm not usually up this early. I usually go to bed at like 5 to 7 a.m. and then I wake up for work at noon and get ready. But the past 4 days, because I was off, I was like, I'm about to get the best rest of my entire life. And I did. I lived a stress-free week. It was a little stressful, but it was a restful week where I was going to bed no later than 2 a.m., which is kind of rare. So I went to bed at 2 a.m. last night, and I woke up at 9:30. Which is just a crazy time for me. I think most of my friends would be like, are you okay? No. I'm seething. I can feel my bones shuddering below me. I've been doing a lot of tapping sounds. Yeah, but that's why I'm worried, Ray. That's why I'm worried. I'm worried I'm not gonna make enough money. You know what I mean? That's not why I'm here though. But that's why I came on here. I'm like, I gotta de-stress. I just gotta fish my worries away, and just everything will work out. Hopefully I hear back from another job. One very fun thing is that Square Enix, who does the Final Fantasy Online, opened up their creator portal, which is very cool. 19 days! 19 days! That is insane. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Can you believe that, like, just yesterday was like 78 days? 19 days, right? They flew by quick. In my eyes. Probably not as quick for you, but 19 days is insane. I'm just gonna keep yawning until I eat some artichokes or something. Oh, my eye! I feel like my eyelashes sometimes just sabotage me. That's all they're here for. What is the- I don't even remember. What is the purpose of an eyelash? I don't remember. It's like- it's not to clean your eye. It's I don't remember. I really don't. Good morning. How are you? You're up this early as well? I didn't know you get up really early. I'll watch. Now you know what time it is when you get up early in the morning. It's 9:30 a.m. for me, yeah. I forget that you're only like an hour behind. I keep thinking that you're like 2 hours behind. It's usually the people I talk to are like 2 hours behind. I keep thinking you're like more central. Like more in the middle. I guess it's central. Isn't your time zone technically Central Eastern time? It goes Eastern, Central Eastern, Mountain Time, Pacific Time? I have no idea. It's too early for that, I'm so sorry. It's too early for that. I'm just online. Filling out my Square Enix application. Big yawn. A rabbit fish? What? Or you got angry hiccups? Yeah, I woke up. They stopped. I posted a TikTok about it. They stopped as soon as I threatened to make a video about them. But I woke up and had hiccups for like 45 minutes because of how angry I was when I looked at my schedule. True story. We're CST. Gotcha. But yeah, I like woke up and I'm like, oh, he posted it in the morning time. He's getting better. Not really. Anyway, but I was like, oh my goodness. 14 hours on my schedule. That is all. I mentioned to him, I'm like, hey, like if other people like need the hours, like you can give them the hours. Like it's not like a huge deal. So I really did it to myself. If he interpreted that as like shit, I don't need to work. I guess that is my fault. My bad, original gangster, but you know, just the timing. The timing is gonna start scaring me. Because this paycheck is already only gonna be like $300. But I did my taxes somewhat recently, so I'm still waiting for that to hit. So that would be like a full paycheck if you include the taxes. But if I'm only getting 14 hours between now and like the following week, it's gonna be a really rough paycheck. Oh, and if y'all didn't see, I don't remember where else I posted. I know I posted it on Snapchat. I think I posted it on my Instagram as well. I didn't get a new dog, but I finally moved my dog from the living room to my bedroom. Because before she was like living out where all the other dogs are. I have 7 dogs right now. Before she was living out there with all of them. And so now she's like in my room and she like sleeps with me in here. And so last night was the first night I had her sleep in the kennel because she doesn't like the kennel. I need to get her a new one because I think she doesn't like it because it might just be a little too small for her, where she can't like spread out because she likes laying fully spread out. So I might just have to get her a new kennel. But now now I know she's able to like be in here by herself. She has to be in here while I'm away at work today because I have to see if my roommate is going to be gone most of the day as well. Because if we're both gone, then she's just gonna be in the kennel by herself. But that was the whole reason I wanted her to stay in the kennel last night, was just to make sure that she's okay being in the kennel, not around the other dogs. Because before she could see the other dogs, so she didn't feel alone. But separation anxiety runs in her family. The father dog that we have, he is the worst when it comes to separation anxiety in a dog. He cannot like it's not even that he cannot be alone, it's that he like crashes out when he is left alone. So that's why I didn't want to have that be her fate. But she seems fine as long as I give her like I have greenie treats, like the dental ones. And then I have these like beef blanket treats that she's been liking. A scooter. I miss having like a razor scooter. Razor scooters were nice. Until they like swung around and hit your ankles. Then they were pretty deadly. Sorry, Ben, I'm listening on the conversation. I'm currently watching Batman the Animated Series. Oh, how's it going? You're all good. It's just me yapping. I'm kind of just here to chill out before I go to work. Ooh, a parrotfish. A parrotfish. Very nice. I love it so far. Good. How far would you say you're in it? You like just start recently? Or are you finishing out the series? Oh my goodness. My puppies are screaming. It's because they want to go outside. But they don't go outside unless there's like people to supervise them, and I'm not standing out there for all of them. They'll be okay. I started season 2 today. Nice. Very, very nice. A trolley. A cart. You know what I found out? It actually does have a leaderboard. Oh, it did. What was it? What was the command for that? Stats? Yeah. People think breaking your femur is the worst pain, but they have never been hit in the ankle by a razor scooter. For real. You don't know real pain? Like being hit in the ankles by a razor scooter without like no socks on, like full on contact with the ankle, is worse than stepping on a Lego. I don't make the rules, except I do. It's just a worse kind of pain.
I'm so confused.
Nah, stepping on a Lego is just not as bad as being hit by a razor scooter.
But I guess not this time. I don't know what he wants from me. I offered him all of me. I don't know what he wants from me. He's loving me, watching me.
I'm trying to think of other things. Like, being hit by a razor scooter is the equivalent of stepping on like a tack. Oh, a croissant shark? No, that's a good find. That's a rare find. Legendary. That's cool. I promise my eye's not tweaking. I'm itching my eye. VHS too. Can you spell VHS? I'm already online, SMH. Oh yeah, chat, don't forget, if you aren't using your channel points to fish or any of the other rewards, you can always donate them to the goal so that we can get Gummy out here, and then there'll be 2 people on the screen. 10 seconds, SMH. I am also editing on the side right now. I've been editing a video for a little bit now. Me and Ryan played Split Fiction. If you do not know what Split Fiction is, it is a game that came out in March that is incredible. Like, the game of the year is going to go to Split Fiction, and I don't make the rules. VHS tape is a good find. That was like a pretty good find. I have broken bones and had inner bruising on my throat, but those scooters hurt way worse. For real. If I can recall how it felt to be hit by a razor scooter, but can't recall how it felt when I broke my foot, that razor scooter did trauma, man. What the heck? Nimbochromis? Nimbochromis? Interesting. Thank you for... Oh my goodness, I completely lost English. Thank you for contributing to the debut challenge. I've been watching 2 people play Split Fiction. How far are you? Oh, what part did we just do? I think we're like really close to the end. Like we finished the dragons and we're at the next part after the dragons. I don't remember how far it is later, but the dragons were my favorite part. I was shocked at the pig section. The pig section was like, it was definitely one of my favorites. You'll see in the video. So the video is gonna be like us playing the game, but I'm gonna add in a few edits here and there to make it funny, but I am gonna include gameplay in the whole thing. Like, I'm not cutting out any gameplay. I might overlap it a little bit with some funny things, but most of the gameplay itself will stay intact. So they're gonna be longer frame videos. I can't read what my program actually looks like. It says how long it is. Because it doesn't show me like, oh, this is like an hour. It shows like 5 different numbers and it'll say like 0, 1, 0, 8, 0, blah blah blah. And I'm like, I don't know what this means, because it definitely does not mean an hour. I definitely don't have an hour of footage at the very beginning of the thing. So, I'm taking a nap. Hope stream goes well. I hope you have a good nap. But yeah, I'm having a lot of fun playing Split Fiction. I'm having a lot of fun playing it with him. It's been very nice. I'm excited to share it too. I'm excited to edit full-length videos. I just need the motivation to. A weird drawing of a fish. Can I put that up on my fridge? Oh my gosh, you can kind of see chat. Like right there. Count Quackula. Wow. You found a Halloween find in the middle of April. Getting ready. 5 seconds. Oh my, what the heck are y'all doing? All of my dogs right now are at my door. Hold on. See if they'll stay for a photo. Okay, well, one walked away. Hold on, let me show you. Let me show you my POV. They want treats and you're not delivering? For real, but they don't need to like stand so ominously at my door. Will this let me just like... Oh. Oh. There we go. Let me... Yeah. I'm professional. This is them at my back door right now. This one, the one on the far left is mine. And then the one in the middle that kind of like turned away, that's the mother. And then the one on the right is Bruno. He's the dad. I have 7 dogs. I have 3 adults and 4 puppies. Stop staring at me. You ain't coming inside. Yeah. I have 7 dogs. They're Pomskies. Oh, they're talking in the group chat. Good God, yeah. It gets kind of chaotic sometimes, but it's a lot more manageable than I guess perceived. The only thing is, I think before I leave for work today, I might need to change the rug in the playpen for the puppies since they aren't going outside as much. Because the kids are all with their grandmother. But yeah, they're, for the most part, all pretty well behaved. The dad dog, he the black and white one, he's just the most mischievous guy in the world. He, like I mentioned earlier, he has the worst separation anxiety. It's not even that he can't stand being in the kennel, it's that he would just like will fight the kennel. He's gone through 2 different kennels. He has to have like a latch on his kennel or he'll break out. And he's like in the process right now of his current kennel of like actually breaking it. Like just making sure it doesn't latch back together. It's pretty crazy. He's a psycho. Big Mama Pickle. Wow. Wow. I'm not tired, you're tired. You can have them. I also have 3 cats. I have 3 cats. Eventually it won't be this chaotic though. I mean, to be fair, the only one that's mine is one of the dogs. The rest are my roommates. 7 dogs, 3 cats, 3 kids, 3 adults. Crazy household. I don't know how long I intended to stream for. Oh, my alarm is about to go off. I was like, maybe I'll just stream all the way up until I go. I don't know if that will be the case. I think I kind of just wanted to come on here and just like just chill, de-stress, because I know I made a comment that like because I had so many days off I was going to stream. It didn't happen. It didn't happen. I had the most restful days of my freaking life. The cats are still outside. We've also got another kid who lives outside. Raymond mentioned it to you. Yeah, I know all of them. They loves. He's just staring at me menacingly from outside. I'm like, what do you want, brother? But I am making up a schedule right now for this week, since I also have days off this week. Yeah, I have like the whole weekend now. So we will actually get to Jackbox this week. I'm gonna put it on the schedule. Where is it? I don't know what to call the new group chat. Looks like a good group chat name. The group of corals. I'm putting Jackbox on the schedule for Friday, 8 p.m. We'll also do reminders leading up. Ooh, I'm blinded by the light. I'm making up a purple schedule right now. The Girl Squad. Girl Squad. Trying to find a good schedule out. This one will work. Nice. We just fish. We just fish out here. Oh, it's two-toned. Oh. This is more fun than actual fishing. I can see where you're coming from. I miss fishing. It's been a bit since I went fishing. I need to get back into doing those kinds of activities. Like rock climbing and shit. That was fun. Oh. Oh, you know what I haven't checked recently? I haven't checked to see if my girl has been updating her series. No, it's completely different. Oh, there's a different series though. Oh. Good morning, Tamara. Oh my gosh, you didn't play. It might be broken. I'm so sorry. I just don't see it. There we go. So you see how it like slowly disappeared. My man's was slacking. I don't remember. Does it have a cooldown? Get out of my way. I'm so sorry. Good morning, good morning. Oh, it's got like 30 seconds. I hope you have a great day. Got a busy day ahead of me too. I hope whatever you have to get done gets done today. I believe in your productivity and hope you have a good night. Good day. I'm used to it. It's too early for this, bro. It's too early. It's 11 in the morning. This is Tamara's hours. This is not my hours, bro. My hours are 11 p.m. Not a.m. Tomorrow loves rivals. Sorry, I'm like looking at her stuff. Did you know that there's a day in April called National Tamara Day? True story. It's like I wanted to say the 21st. I think that's correct though. I'm looking for it. I know we definitely haven't passed it yet. But I hope they all warm out tonight. I only recently came across this song again. I love this song. I'm trying to find it. There's National Terry Day. I promise I'm not crazy. Hide away, hide away. I don't know why I didn't just... National Day. April 10th. Oh, we did pass it. Flip. Well, you should still definitely show love to Tamara, even if it's not Tamara Day. In the time that it takes to be loved is enough. You know what? Flip it. We're doing a puzzle tomorrow. Puzzle Monday returns. And then I absolutely have to do the VR stuff. And the May dress stream. I absolutely have to do it. I cannot keep procrastinating this. I will get to these. And then I don't know if I'm gonna... 1 second, I'm done. I don't know if I'm gonna ask Kelsa if she wants to continue our reaction stream. We'll see. We'll see what I hear from Kelso. Oh gosh, I was like, what is that? Trolley. The trolley. Where is my puzzle graphic? What the flip? Nope. I've lost it. Jigsaw puzzle of the day? Oh, We could do that too. Oh, I think this is not like multiplayer though. This is just. Yeah, this is just do a puzzle. I'd rather do a puzzle with chat. Completely forgot my buttons for a moment. It's an interesting sound. Continuously play over and over again. I think it was this, and then I just made it transparent. Okay. What time should I be? We do it kind of early. Honestly, do it at like 8 p.m. Or do 8 p.m. streams this week. What the flip? Just have random things fly at me. It was unwarranted. Nothing happened. What just happened? Insane. And then Thursday. So Tuesday and Thursday will be offline days. And then we'll do Monday, Wednesday. You know what? Flip it. Wednesday. What? Wednesday? Wednesday will be May Day. Let's see. Oh, I have to get the maid VTuber outfit set up too. Son of a gun. Okay, I think we'll just use this for. And we'll do that at 8 p.m. as well. Put this down a little bit. Nice. And then we gotta find things. Okay, so Friday is Jackbox. My dog barks. She like goes all the way up in the air. I just watched it happen. Bam, 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 bam. Jackbox Day. Oh. Also at 8 p.m. What a shock. Should move this up a little bit. Nice. This thing doesn't include Sunday. Why does it include Saturday but not Sunday? Okay, well, when in doubt, this is what we do. And then, nope. Do this here. Yep. There we go. Oh, I gotta move all the little particles. Oh, phooey. Okay, I fixed it. Now I have to move everything to side. Oh, okay. Move this there. And move this there. I guess I could show what I'm doing, huh? That would be probably pretty helpful. Maybe. I forgot I'm all the way up there, though. I haven't fixed this one. Okay. Yeah. That works. That's what I'm doing. I'm making the schedule. This one over here. And then change this to Sunday. I'm just gonna move everything over. Nice. This. Why does this look super off-center? Okay, this one's all the way up here. Oh. But it doesn't look that off when it's up here. I don't know, man. It looks off-center. Whatever. Okay, so then we gotta, okay, so the Saturday will be, we are dancing. We'll use, these are not good pictures at all. I guess there's any of these. Does it really matter? This would be kind of funny. Oh. The line down is kind of funny. At 8 p.m. as well. And then I might I also I didn't need to make a Sunday because probably just gonna be offline anyway. Take Sunday off. There we go. Looks like a good schedule to me. I remove this. I made it all up for what? I'll put this over here. Oh. Yep. There we go. That looks good. The ears being cut off is kind of interesting. I don't think anybody they'll never notice. They'll never notice. Okay. Let me change these to the darker purple. Just testing the colors. If I do that, then I probably would change this to this or something. No. Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay. I'm okay with this. Snip it and send it. I feel like people will think I'm crazy. I don't save these things, like I don't download them directly. I take a screenshot of it. One, because I feel like it makes the file size so much smaller than if I downloaded it. Two, I can ensure that I download whatever I screenshot as a PNG and not as a whatever the flip a WebP file. Just flip that. And it's just better, I guess, in my opinion. I'm on this side. Whoopsie. I'm gonna miss this outfit though. Like, I didn't cook up this outfit until like the end of March, but this was good. I'm excited for the April one though. I think the April one will look nice. Okay, I might head out soon, so let me here. I will tease the April outfit. I don't know if I'm actually gonna just suddenly appear. Yeah, I was like, I'm gonna suddenly appear. Okay. So first, the color scheme is purple. You can already see like the hair did change from like a yellowish blonde. It's now like a pinkish blonde. She did have her eye color change. We gotta make it quick. It's like this is not the debut. This is not the debut. It's just a sneak peek. Just a sneak peek. Okay, I won't show the whole thing though. But this is what to expect from the changes. There'll be, I guess, an outfit debut on the 15th. So then you'll see her. Then you'll see her in all her gummy glory. Her flying across the screen was kind of funny though. Okay. But I think that was it. I think I just wanted to chill out for a little bit. Do our last little fishes. And then that schedule, I will have that posted today. Right now. And yeah. I will see y'all tomorrow for puzzle day. Stretching. Ooh, that's a nice skateboard. Alright. I will see y'all later. Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a good night. Bye bye. Now my color going away. Bye.